Imagine if you had me guiding and looking over your shoulder and personally guiding you on your journey of building a successful Shopify store, giving direct access to the exact strategies, tools, and systems that myself and my team of e-commerce consultants have used to build million-dollar brands time and time again. That is exactly what the Supreme University has the power to give you. And in this quick video, I'll show you how it all works, how you can use the Supreme University to take the first step into making money online and doing it consistently. If you're someone who has no idea where to start with your dropshipping business, or you have tried to start and you have failed, then this is where you want to be. So if you're dedicated to making a change in your life, and you want to build a profitable online business with just using a laptop and Wi-Fi in only a couple months, all while receiving personal guidance from myself and my team of entrepreneurs who have been there and done it for themselves so that you can have that success that you deserve and help you drive real-time results, then this is for you. It doesn't have to take years to see results with your dropshipping business, but that's only if you're following a system that's proven to drive results. And that is exactly what we've developed with the strategies that you'll be learning while in the Supreme University. Here's how it works and what you'll be getting. The first thing you'll be receiving is access to the Supreme Self-Starter course, which will give you a complete overview and understanding of the key components that you need to know while starting your dropshipping store. This has everything from information on how to build a profitable Shopify store to running Facebook ads profitably with the same exact strategies that I used and continue to optimize that helped me generate over $1.7 million starting from zero in less than 6 months. Next, you'll be receiving access to weekly live calls with myself and an expert e-commerce consultant covering specific topics where we cover everything in detail so you know exactly what steps to take after every single call. And in these weekly calls, we'll be covering absolutely everything. Breaking it down in complete detail so that you start to see success and see it quickly, giving you proven winning products each and every single week, teaching the entire system of product research and validation so that you know the exact steps that it takes to find winning products consistently, showing you step by step how to create and set up a high converting Shopify store, how to run Facebook ads with no prior experience, how to scale, and so much more. This is all while exposing you to the necessary tools to make starting your dropshipping business stress-free and guiding you without wasting time, money, effort, or energy into the wrong direction. Next, you'll be receiving access to an elite community channel that offers specialized help, guidance, and coaching every single day. Yes, Sunday through Sunday, you'll be receiving direct help from myself and other 6 and 7 figure students who were all once in your shoes. Myself and our expert consultants will be on this channel daily, responding to questions that you post so that you have full confidence in every business decision that you're making. So many people spend thousands of dollars trying to figure out what products to sell and by using outdated strategies that will keep eating your money. The strategies that you'll receive and the advice that you'll get on every single call with myself and my team will save you time, money, and effort by teaching you what's working right now so that you can start implementing on your store and seeing the results that you're looking for. I don't believe in giving outdated strategies. I don't believe in showing you what worked last year, but it's what's working today and continuously evolving together as a family. Take a look at my student Jacqueline, who is a college student that was looking for another way to make money outside of the typical 9-to-5 life after college. While working with myself and my team and implementing our bulletproof strategies, she was able to generate over $77,000 in just under 60 days as a complete beginner, starting from scratch and no prior experience. And our student Martin, who is tired of trying and failing with his dropshipping business and invested in learning these strategies that helped him go from making no sales to generating over $3,000 in his first 30 days. I'll be completely honest with you, there is absolutely no other program like this out there, and that's because there's one major difference. We legitimately care about your success and being able to show as many entrepreneurs out there what is possible when you invest in learning a high income skill. We truly believe that your wins are our wins, and we aim to teach you everything that there is to know to help you experience those wins, and the hundreds of student results show that. This is the community that you want to be a part of if you're someone who's looking to finally break into the e-commerce field and understand what it means to get real results and to not waste time doing so. So with that being said, we're officially opening up enrollment to those of you looking to take that step. Now, you might be wondering, what's in it for me? If I'm such a big e-commerce professional, don't I make enough to not sell courses? Trust me, I've heard it time and time again, but when it comes down to it, my ultimate mission is to help as many people achieve financial freedom through starting their first successful e-commerce store with a team of entrepreneurs that you can trust, just like we've done for thousands of others. I've been down the rough road of trying to break into this field. It's hard to know what information to follow, who to believe, and how to get started. Even at my lowest points of being homeless, I still did everything in my power to continue learning what e-commerce had to offer because I knew there was more to life than being chained down to that 9-to-5 rat race. And I'm guessing you do too. That's why I'm here, to help people just like you. I've been in your shoes and I want to be the person with the help of my team and I to help you experience more and living that life of abundance that you deserve. Now, let's just say you are a dedicated person who wants more and is ready to follow what I teach to make an extra $5,000 to $10,000 plus a month in income in just a couple months. Would you trade $60 to make an extra $5,000 to $10,000? The choice and the change is up to you, but you're the only one who can make it. I'm sure by now you know if this is the right place for you or not, and I can't wait to help you break into the e-commerce space and celebrate your wins with you. But until then, go ahead, click on the link, and I'll see you there to welcome you to the Supreme University and seeing you on the first call this week.